Welcome to conferences.
Thanks.
Meet my teacher, Miss Horvath.
Hi,
I'm going to share what I've learned this year and my goals.
Awesome.
I'm going to use my data binder during this conference. Awesome. All my learning from the year will be in this binder.
Okay.
First, let's talk about reading. My map test. This year, I read the whole test.
Wow.
Here's my score. This is what I got this year.
So what's this score here then?
That's my score from last year.
Oh, okay.
And this is the score I want to get at the end of the year.
Okay, how are you going to get there?
Well, we have action plans, and my action plan says I will respond to what I read.
That's a great idea. I like
That's
that.
going to help me get to my goal.
Great idea.
This is where I'm reading with Miss Horvath every day.
Great.
I've also worked hard in reading. I've learned about characters, challenges, and main topic and main idea.
Awesome.
Here's how I've done with reading. You've seen these before, right?
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Good job.
Then we reflect. I did my very best. I think I could have done a little better. And what my goal is for next time.
Love it. Nice job. Good reflections.
Now, let's talk about my math map.
Okay.
Here's my score.
Nice.
So this year, that second star shows what I did this year in the fall.
Okay.
That's my score.
Okay.
Last year, this was my score.
Okay.
But then at the end of the year, I'm going to get this score.
Love it.
I know I can do it.
What are you going to do? I see an action plan right here.
Yeah, just like literacy and reading, we have one for math too.
Cool.
So I'm going to, it says, I will practice place value to the thousands.
Nice. That sounds hard.
Yeah, it's going to help me with adding and subtracting and
Awesome.
some other math stuff.
Awesome.
Now, my teacher is going to share some notes from my math teacher.
Okay.
Here's also, in math, I've learned about all these things.
Wow.
Now, here's my math scores from my chapter test.
Okay.
And I know you've seen
Nice.
my math
Oh,
scores.
yes. I remember seeing that paper coming home.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thanks. I worked really hard.
Really good job.
Then we graph how we did on our first test. This way, I can see how much better I'm doing each time.
Look how close you were to 100. Nice
I know.
job.
It was a
Good
tricky
work.
test, too.
Good job.
Then we also reflect just like we do for reading. So I did my very best on, I think I could have done better, maybe expanded form, writing more words. You know, I really don't like writing, but I'm trying. But my goal is next time is to get 100%.
Ooh, I think you can do it. You were so close last time.
I think so. I'm going to use my goal to get there.
I love it.
In writing, we've also practiced punctuation and capitalization and staying on the topic.
Nice.
Here's one of my writing pieces.
Awesome.
We also want to talk about our behavior. I know it's important to be responsible, be respectful, and to be safe. And also be seasoned. You know, the 3 B's.
Oh, yeah.
I'm doing really well at making new friends.
Oh.
And my wish for the year is to probably be a better listener.
Oh, I see that you wrote full body listening right here.
Yeah,
That
it's
sounds
important. Dr. Kwok and Ms. Perez told us to let our heads listening, our hands, our quiet feet. It's a whole body thing.
I like that.
I
Cool.
know. It's kind of hard, but
Good
I'm
job.
trying.
You can do it.
Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Here's my wonderful week chart that shows how I've been behaving. It's kind of like a graph like for math, but we use blue and green and yellow and red, just like for our cards we have.
Nice.
And I didn't lose it, so I didn't have to check that box.
Nice job.
I was responsible.
Good job.
Our conference is almost over. I can answer any questions, or you can ask my teacher. Thank you for coming and letting me share my learning.
You did an awesome job. I'm so proud of you and the work that you did in this binder. Nice job.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.